Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to use the Quik app. It is a very easy to use and have some exciting features that other major free video editing apps doesn't have. And the good news is that there is no watermark in it. So let's get started. First go to Google Play Store or App Store to download the mobile app. After downloading, open the app. Select create a new video. Then select a video or bunch of photos to create a video from the photos gallery. So selecting one video here and click edit highlights. Click on the blue colored bookmark logo to select the important parts of the video and swipe. After that, click on the tick button on the bottom and select the blue colored tick button on the bottom right to move further. After that, we can see bunch of templates here. These templates automatically cuts the video according to the beat of the music we add, and also it cuts the bookmarked portion of our video to the selected template. So selecting dashing here, then select the music icon and select your preferred music. We can select music from the app library and also from our phone's library as well. After that, go to the third icon on the bottom side, and here we can select the duration of the video format, music starting point, filters, palettes, and the outro on off option. On the duration, there are bunch of different options like a video that is suitable for Instagram stories or suitable for the music we selected or the recommended duration by the app. After that, click on the pencil icon. There we can see the options to add text. In that option, we can add a caption and a title for the video. Next is to highlight or add slow-mo to the video like we did early on this video. After doing that, you can trim the video from the beginning or from the end. The next feature is to turn on or off the in-video sound or completely turn off the video sound or just play the background music only. Then there is a layout option, a rotate option, and also we can adjust the speed of the whole video on the next feature. And we can crop the video if needed. And also we can remove the clip that we don't need it by just playing the clip and clicking on remove. On saving the video, we can share a link on this video or the video will be uploaded to the cloud, and we can easily share the link or save the video without sharing. So this was all about it on the Quik app. Hope everyone uses the app and enjoys the video editing. Thank you and have a great day.